Hello, Frozen. Today I have a very nice story. Are you ready? Let's start. Once upon a time, our gentleman Q was in the letter's park, and he heard crying sound. He wondered, who's crying like that here? Oh, this is our beautiful Q. What's wrong, our beautiful Q? Our beautiful Q said, I lost my small slash and I cannot find it. Our gentleman Q said, don't worry, our beautiful Q. I'll search and I can find it. Don't cry anymore. Our gentleman Q searched here and there, under the tree and between the grass, and finally he found a small slash and gave it to beautiful Q. And from this time, little Q has best friend U. Wherever Q goes, U goes too, and together will give us qua, qua, qua sound. Will give us qua sound. Will give us qua. So Q and U will give us qua, qua. A, CK digraph, k, quack, quack, qua. Double E will give us E, qua, E, N, queen. Super. Qua, E, ooh. Double L will give me sound. Ooh. So, quill, quill. Qua, E, ooh, t. Quilt, quilt. Qua, two vowels side each other. I will say the name for the first vowel. So, I. Qua, I, t. Quite, quite. Here he asked me to put the words have qua sound inside the box. You ready? Let's start. What is this? A mouse. A mouse. Can you hear qua sound? No. Should I put it inside the box? No, I leave it. What is this? Quiet. Quiet. Can you hear qua sound? Yes, so I put it inside the box. What is this? A fan. Can you hear qua? No. Should I put it inside the box? I leave it. What is this? Quilt. Quilt. Can you hear qua? Yes, quilt. I put it inside the box. What is this? Queen. Qua. In. Qua. Queen. Can you hear qua? Yes, I put it inside the box. Huh? What is this? Duck. A duck. Can you hear qua? No, I leave it. What is this? Quill. Quill. Can you hear qua? Yes, I put it inside the box. What is this? Pet. Pet. Can you hear qua? No, so I leave it. What is this? Squirrel. Squirrel. So can you hear qua? Yes, so I put it inside the box. What is this? Chocolate. Chocolate. Can you hear qua? No, so I leave it. Here also he asked me to put the words have qua sound on the quilt. Quilt. What is this? A fish. Can you hear qua? No, should I put it on the quilt? No, it will never go. What is this? Squirrel. Squirrel. Should I put it on the quilt? Yes, as it has qua sound. Super, thank you. What is this? Cheese. Cheese. Can you hear qua? No, I leave it. What is this? Queen. Can you hear qua? Yes. So I put it on the quilt. Queen. Qua, qua, qua. What is this? Quiet, quiet. Can you hear qua? Yes, so I'll put it on the quilt. What is this? Quill. Quill, can you hear qua? Yes, so I'll put it on the quilt also. Super frozen. Hmm. Here he asked me to put the missing letters. So, what is this? Queen, queen. Here I have E, N. So what do we miss? Qua, 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 qua. Queen. So Q and U will give us qua sound. Huh. What is this? Quite, quite. Hmm. I, T. What do we miss? Qua, qua, quite. Ilt. What is this? Quilt. What do we miss? Qua, quilt. Thank you, Frozen. See you.